I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about dupes for Danessa Myricks Limelife Dynamic Palette. Check it out. Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to give the dupes of Danessa Myricks with Limelife Collaboration Palette. All the dupes, all the things you need to know, and check it out. Let's get to it. I'm Melanie. I like makeup. I am 46 years old. I have rosacea and sensitive skin. I do videos about Limelife products and I don't know, all kinds of MLM things. I don't sell these products. My friends do, so sometimes I buy them and put out reviews. Sometimes I do DIY hair, all kinds of weird stuff like that. So, oh, and sometimes I swear. So if that interests you at all, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Dynamic dupes. I can't wait. I've been like putting this video off forever because I thought I'd find like this windfall of cash to buy everything in the world to share with you, but it never happened, so I'm just gonna give you what I've got and show it to you. Okay, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, Danessa Myricks is a makeup artist, and she put out a collaboration palette, actually a whole line of makeup with Limelife by Alcone. And these palettes, these eyeshadow palettes are just freaking amazing. Let's just get that out of the way. However, they were 8 shades and they're $90 each. There's a matte palette and a metallic palette. Check them out. Here they are for you. $90 each. But those colors are absolutely stunning and the quality seems really nice. I didn't buy them. I couldn't do it. I want those metallic colors so desperately. I just want to have them. So I was on a search for dupes and yes, I was successful at finding all the colors I wanted. So I thought I'll share it with you. But the colors are amazing. Let me just stress that. They're absolutely amazing, beautiful colors, and they're actually kind of hard to find dupes for all of them. Specifically the Luxor, which is a gray color, and then the dark green metallic color. And you know, some of the mattes were strangely difficult to find dupes for, but let's share what I've got. So I tried to record this thing like 60 times. Sorry, I failed completely at dupe videos. This is probably my last one ever. So first I'm just gonna give you the palettes that have the same dupes, like same vibe, and a lot of the dupe colors. And then we'll kind of go color by color and I'll show you the swatches of what I've got and what matches up. So let's check it out. Let's go look at the vibes. Look at like the palettes. Oh, and these palettes are affordable palettes. They're not super expensive. They're not $50, you know, they're $25 or under, but they're also not like just drugstore products. There's something that like I'd be excited to buy, that I am excited to buy, and that I love. And they will make you happy. Just as happy as your $90 palette will make you, these ones will make you happy. So let's get into it now. Oh my god, I love this palette. It like has such the vibe, doesn't it? The bright colors, the dark colors, the browns, the mattes, the shimmers. It's just a great dupe palette. You'll find quite a few dupes in here. It is Juvia's Place, Nubian 2. It is $25. Regular price. Sometimes there's sales on their website and there's available at Ulta and you have coupons. What a great deal. Now moving on, the next one is Morphe Social Butterfly. It has a great vibe, doesn't it? It has those purples and the greens, and it has that Luxor gray. It is just a great vibe for those colors. It encompasses a lot of Danessa's feel, and I really love this palette. Next up, even the promo pictures have the same dupe. This is another Morphe palette. This is with Jaclyn Hill. It's from the Vault. It's called Ring the Alarm. It actually has 6 dupe colors. Amazing quality, price $15. You can't beat it. And then we're gonna go back to Juvia's Place because this Masquerade palette has just like amazing colors and it has that great vibe, and that's what I'm looking for, is like, oh, the vibe of Danessa. She did such a great job, and Juvia's Place really encompasses that just as well. And last but not least, for vibe that I really love, is this color, this palette from Color Pop. It is called Brown Sugar, and it is freaking amazing. It is like $12. It has such the dark vibes, and it's small and it's compact, and you can make whole look right from it. It's $12, and just go for it. Okay, so for the two of the palettes I had to buy, the dupes, the ones that had the same vibe. The first was this Nubian too. This is the most amazing. If you're just gonna get one that has the same vibe, this is it. It's just stunning. I like want to dig in right now, but I do want to just dig in because I want to show you like the color payoff is amazing. These Juvia's Place palettes, especially this Nubian too, amazing. Okay, quality wise, $25, really can't beat it. And you get it on sale sometimes. I mean, yes. Yes, please. Then I also bought the Masquerade because I needed these bright colors. This one doesn't have quite the same vibe, but you'll see like it has the dark colors and it has the brights, but they're pretty much all shimmery and amazing. Like let's just dig in and see the quality. Like, oh, look. Like the quality of these is amazing. So let's now go in and I'll show you like my swatches that I found that have the dupes, and I'm gonna do another voiceover. I'm sorry, but like that seems like the only way to do this. Okay, scary arm swatch pictures, I'm sorry. In the middle are my dupes. The others I found online, they're Danessa colors. These are all from Nubian 2 and Masquerade. Rather than drag this video out telling you what they all are, I will put a spreadsheet link down below and at the end of this video, big, that you can screenshot. But these are from Nubian 2, Masquerade, and the middle beautiful Vibe Tribe is from Bling Boss. Okay, I've got a little better at arm swatches, but yes, scary pale arm in the middle is me. But look at the colors I was able to dupe, the vibe and the feel, and these are all from Juvia's Place palettes. They're just stunning and amazing and affordable. All right, so that's it. Dynamic dupes for Danessa Myricks palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was helpful. Here is the spreadsheet, the long-awaited spreadsheet that shows everything you need to know. I'll put the link down below, and that's it. That's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Subscribe.